before he can release her. John, I'm waiting for you every night. Proctor, Abby, I never give hope you to wait for me. Abigail, now beginning to anger. She can't believe it. I have something better than hope, I think.
Wow, that's so romantic.
Yeah. Abigail, you're surely sporting with me. Proctor, you know me better. Abigail, I know how you clutch my
Stop!
breast.
Stop! Stop that noise!
What?
Oh, well, it went away now, but you didn't hear it?
No.
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake your cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with an E. Hey! And put it in the oven for Emily and me.
Oh.
Don't you hear that this time?
Oh, it's probably just something outside. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
This table really needs a centerpiece.
Look at all the flowers I got. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh. Yeah. You have to be hearing it this time. It's like loud.
Okay, I do hear it. I just try not to be scared for you.
Let's get out of here. Okay.
Okay, I think we might be safe in here.
Oh no, it's back again. I thought that was my new ringtone. Hello?
Mom, why do you always insist on calling me?
Oh, that was so funny, wasn't it?